While trekking along the Black Pipe Trail in the lush jungles of the Malaysian island of Penang, we encountered a juvenile water monitor on the hunt for food. Intrigued, we decided to shadow its movements for a while. The water monitor is a large species of monitor lizard with the binomial name Varanus salvator, capable of growing up to 3 meters in length with a maximum weight of over 90 kilograms, though most are only about half that size. Their body is muscular with a long, powerful, laterally compressed tail, used for swimming and in defense. Towards the back of their head are 2 large holes for hearing. Monitor lizards have long, forked tongues used for detecting scent, while their nostrils are used for breathing only. To interpret scent particles, they possess a sensitive organ on the roof of their mouth, called the vomeronasal organ, or Jacobson's organ, and which allows them to determine which direction a scent is coming from and which can pick up scents for over a kilometer away. Here, the monitor lizard retraces its steps, apparently having scented something in the soil, and begins digging at some roots. By sticking out its tongue, scent particles will stick to it, and when retracting it, the tongue will brush against the cavity with the Jacobson's organ. By regularly sticking its tongue in and out, the scent particles are taken in time after time again, and after analyses by the brain, recall a certain memory, whether of carrion, food or prey, or of the breath of an enemy, enabling the animal to react more alert. They are carnivores to the full, feeding mainly on carrion, but also on fish, crabs, insects, mollusks, eggs, snakes, and even other lizards and garbage. The lizard's tongue is now picking up the scent of a fallen, decomposing tree trunk, whose molten remains may have attracted some grubs or other insects. The search is on. It uses its forelegs and head to break into the rotten wood, swiftly uncovering something edible as the decomposing wood falls apart. Since they are cold-blooded creatures, they make more efficient use of food, allowing them to get by with less. Because, unlike warm-blooded animals, they don't need to burn fuel all the time to keep their body temperature constant. Therefore, after just a bit of food, this individual may have had enough for a while and ends its search. Now it's time for a nap in the sun. Lizards bask in the sun primarily to regulate their body temperature. As reptiles, lizards are ectothermic, meaning they rely on external sources of heat to regulate their internal body temperature. By exposing themselves to sunlight, lizards absorb heat through their skin, which helps raise their body temperature to an optimal level for metabolic activity. Basking in the sun also aids in digestion by helping to warm their bodies and speed up metabolic processes. This individual appeared entirely undisturbed by our presence, as when they feel threatened, monitor lizards would start hissing, open their mouth, and inflate their throat.